People use estimation all the time in life. It makes math simpler. Hey, I don't know about you, but I like when I can make problems simple. One thing you're going to find out about me this year is I'm a runner. I love to exercise. I'm not as fast as this guy, but I still like to go outside and get a good workout in. You know, somebody might ask, hey Travis, how far did you run today? And I won't want to go out with a measuring stick and measure how far I ran from start to finish, but I could estimate it pretty simple. And that's just the trick. So I'm throwing a problem up on the screen here. We're going to look at it. It says estimate each sum or difference by rounding to the place value indicated. And let's highlight that important information. It says to the 10,000s. Well, I know that 12,345, it is closer to 10,000 than it is to 20,000. And I also know that 62,167 is closer to 60,000 than it is to 70,000. So all I've really got to do here is add 10,000 and 60,000 to equal 70,000, or about 70,000 in this case. Let's go ahead and spell that out, about. And I'm going to show you a symbol here. If you haven't already learned it or know it, it's not the equal sign. It looks similar, but it's saying, hey, this value is approximately 70,000. It is not exactly 70,000 because I estimated. And last thing you got to do is box up your answers in my class. Pretty simple, right? Well, let's move forward. Let's take another value here and estimate it. The value is 4,983 and 2,447. And all they want you to do is subtract to the thousands. So let's take that highlighter out and highlight the important information, to the thousands. Well, a number that's close to 4,983 is 5,000. And let's subtract a number that's close to 2,447, which is 3,000. And when you do that, you see that, hey, your value, it's going to be 2,000. Box it up, and we're done. Well, let's move forward to our second example. So let's read through this problem. Chelsea is planning the annual softball banquet for the 8 teams in the region. Each team has 18 members. Estimate how many plates she will need to buy if all the members attend. Let's go take that highlighter, and we're going to highlight the important facts. I know that there are 8 teams. I also know that there are 18 members. All right, estimate how many plates, so how many plates she will need to buy if all the members attend. So it sounds like she's buying a plate for each member on each team. So she's going to need 18 plates for each team if there are 18 members. So I know this is multiplication because she has to buy a plate for each member on each team. So I'm going to write 8 times 18. But hey, I want to make this math simple. I don't want to make it too complicated. So let's just take the value 18, the number of softball players or members, and we're going to round it to a good number. That number is going to be 20. And I'm going to take 8 and multiply it by 20. That's super simple. 8 times 2 is 16. I'm just going to add 0 to the end of that value, and I have 160 members total, or Chelsea needs about 160 plates. And that's it for this video, guys. Have a good one.